I've got a new delivery for the Audi TT. As you can see from the thumbnail, this is a car cover. Quite controversial for car enthusiasts, but because I've got a Roadster, I'm really not sure whether the winter is going to look after the quality of the roof. So I thought, let's get a bespoke car cover that's made specifically for the shape of my car. So I went to a company called Autolovers. Autolovers.co.uk. Now, one thing I need to mention about Autolovers, it looks like, and they market the business, that they're in the UK. They are not in the UK. They are in China. They say they've got people on the ground in the UK. Absolute nonsense. So I ordered it. It said, I think between 7 to 10 days delivery. I think it took around 4 to 5 weeks, maybe even 6 weeks. I got various discounts because I went online and I complained and they gave me a few discounts. It still wasn't coming, and then it was getting so long I was saying I just want to basically cancel the order, and they gave me an additional discount. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you an idea of what I've done, how much I've paid, and I'll put it in the description. They're not cheap, but they're bespoke for your shape of your car. So go and check them out, but don't expect it to be on your doorstep in 10 days because it's not going to happen. So what do you get with the kit? Let's open it up. So you get a carry bag, obviously branded with this Autolover thing on there. You get the actual cover, obviously. And you get some equipment as well. Now it comes with, it's like a nylon metal with steel covered in nylon rope that I think will go from the middle of the car underneath the car. It's kind of like a security thing, and I've got a lock as well, and obviously this nylon rope. So I think what we're going to do, let's go outside and let's see how we're going to get this over the car. Right, so I bought a cover which you can get in either silver or black, but I actually bought one with extra soft lining, and I'll show you what the extra soft lining looks like. Apparently this is extra, £30 extra you've got to pay for this, and it's kind of like a soft, not very thick. I thought it was going to be actually a lot thicker than that, but it is soft. But the idea is to put this onto your car when it's clean. Do not put your cover on your car when it's dirty. Now, I gave this a detail yesterday, so let's see how we get on with it. Got a feeling actually there is a label on the front, and I think the label is the part that goes to the front of the vehicle. I don't know how easy these things actually are to put on if you're elderly or you've got some kind of disability, but especially when it's windy as well. I can imagine putting this onto a car in the wind would be absolutely shocking. Okay, once you've got it to the length of the car, you can start wrapping it up. Okay. Got some form of straps on the front and the back. Maybe I should have read the instructions before just pulling this out, but typical. At the moment, it feels very good quality. So these ones, they don't include the window wipers, not window wipers, sorry, wing mirrors. You don't get the wing mirrors cover because these wing mirrors go in automatically, so they're flush anyway to the car. Okay, that is quite a snug fit. I think actually is near enough to the bottom of the car. Kind of feel like it's pretty snug. Just get it underneath the front bumper. A little bit of wiggling, but it's the first time I've done it, so I'm not entirely sure. And overall it's okay. Now you've got these straps that I think connect to these straps around here. So let's see what I can do with those. Okay, so for fitment wise, I'm not 100% with the fitment of it. So I do think that at the back there's a little bit of bagginess around where the window is. Maybe they haven't taken the spoiler into account, even though I've told them it was the RS and it came up on their website as the RS, but I really would love to have this covered as well, especially the carbon. Okay, so I've swapped it around. I haven't gone through the wheel this time. I've actually gone around the tyre and underneath here. I think I'm going to get a better leverage than under the wheel. And the same with the front here. So I can pull the front a little bit further this way to cover the carbon, but then I've gone behind the wheel and underneath the engine bay. It seems a better option. Now, I think the reason why this is exposed is because I've got to put that bolt, that nylon cord through and under. So let me see how that looks and see whether I can get a better fitment with that, to be honest. So it comes with a padlock and a set of keys. So a little bit of security. Just that little bit extra, isn't it, really? Anyway, let's see how we get on. Okay, so we can squeeze this through here, and it says you go through itself, which means that is like that, and then you throw this under the car. Without marking your carbon. Okay, this is the trick. How to get it right the way under, so you can grab it from the other side. Oh my God. Oh. Okay. That was the most trickiest part. Okay. Okay, verdict is I am not so sure about this, to be honest. So that is the finished cover. I don't think it's ideal. I don't think it fits around the spoiler very well. Seems a bit baggy. kind of like, it's not, it looks like it's for the coupe and not the Roadster. It's definitely not ideal. I mean, it will do, but it's not ideal. And I'm not sure about this, to be honest, where if there's some wind, this is going to be rubbing on here. This is going to be rubbing on here with some wind, and I'm going to get marking and scratching on there. I don't think this is ideal. So I'm not happy about this. So anyone's got any other alternatives, especially for a Roadster, or really kind of the Audi TT Mark III, preferably a Roadster, do let me know. Put something in the comments for me to give me some ideas. But I'm going to go take a picture of this now and a picture of it with it off, and then send it to the company and see what they say. But I don't think this is for a Roadster. I think this is for a coupe, even though I told them it's a Roadster, and they've probably just flogged them all as the same car. But it doesn't fit great. So thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe. Got a lot more videos coming now because I've got a couple of weeks off now for Christmas. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Over and out.